Hey everyone, welcome to the SMA Victor, where we deep dive into topics related to spinal muscular atrophy SMA, spreading awareness to this rare condition. Today we're going to talk about a groundbreaking treatment for SMA, Zolgensma. It is one of the most advanced treatments out there, and it's transforming lives. So, how exactly does Zolgensma work for individuals with SMA? Let's break it down. Introduction to Zolgensma. Zolgensma is a gene therapy treatment that's specifically designed to treat children with SMA, particularly the most severe form, SMA Type 1. It's been called a game changer in the medical field because unlike traditional treatments that manage symptoms, Zolgensma targets the root cause of SMA, mutations in the SMN1 gene. So how does it work? To understand that, we need to go back to the basics. SMA is caused by the mutations in the SMN1 gene, which leads to a deficiency in the SMN protein. This protein is critical for the survival of motor neurons, the nerve cells responsible for controlling muscle movement. Without enough SMN protein, these motor neurons die, leading to muscle weakness and atrophy. How Zolgensma works at the genetic level. Here's where Zolgensma steps in. Zolgensma works by delivering a new, fully functional copy of the SMN1 gene into the body. This is done through a one-time intravenous infusion. The new gene is delivered using a viral vector, a harmless virus that acts like a delivery system to get the healthy gene into the cell. Once the new gene is in place, it starts producing the missing SMN protein that the body desperately needs. With this functional SMN protein being produced, motor neurons can survive and continue sending signals to the muscles, preventing further muscle deterioration. Why Zolgensma is administered early? Zolgensma is typically administered to children under the age of 2. Why so early? The earlier motor neurons are saved, the better the chances of preserving muscle function. By treating SMA at a young age, ideally before symptoms even begin, Zolgensma can dramatically improve outcomes. In fact, studies have shown that early intervention with Zolgensma can help children achieve motor milestones that they otherwise wouldn't, such as lifting up, rolling over, or even walking. The one-time treatment aspect. One of the most significant things about Zolgensma is that it is a one-time treatment. Unlike other therapies for SMA, which require regular injections or infusions, Zolgensma is given just once. The idea is that by delivering a functional SMN1 gene, the body can continuously produce SMN protein without the need for repeated treatments. This makes it incredibly convenient for families and patients because once the infusion is done, the new gene is in place and starts working immediately. Efficacy and long-term impact. So how effective is Zolgensma? Clinical trials and real-world evidence have shown very promising results. Many children who receive Zolgensma early experience significant improvements in muscle strength and motor skills. Some have even reached developmental milestones that were once thought impossible for children with SMA. While the treatment doesn't cure SMA, it can slow or even stop the progression of the disease in many cases, allowing children to lead much more active and independent lives. Potential risks and considerations. Like any other treatment, Zolgensma does come with potential risks. Some children may experience liver complications, so doctors closely monitor liver function before and after treatment. There are also precautions to take to ensure that the body responds well to the gene therapy. Families need to stay in close contact with their healthcare team after the infusion to ensure everything is going smoothly. But the overall safety profile has been very encouraging. Who is eligible for Zolgensma? So who can receive Zolgensma? The treatment is approved for children under the age of 2 who have been diagnosed with SMA. However, not all children with SMA are eligible. The decision is usually based on the specific genetic makeup of the child, their overall health, and the timing of the diagnosis. That's why newborn screening is so important. Early diagnosis means early treatment, which is critical for Zolgensma to be most effective. The future of SMA treatments. Zolgensma represents a huge step forward in the treatment of SMA, but it's not the only option. There are other treatments like Spinraza and Efficacy that target different aspects of the disease. Each treatment has its own benefits, and the choice of treatment depends on several factors, including the age and condition of the patients. As research continues, we're hopeful that even more treatments and improvements will come, giving individuals with SMA the best possible outcomes. In summary, Zolgensma is an innovative gene therapy that offers real hope for children with SMA by addressing the root cause of the condition. While it's not a cure, it makes a profound difference in the lives of many families. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with others spreading awareness, and subscribe to learn more about SMA. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.